Il-mument li fih l-ispettur tal-Pulizija fi New South Wales, Amy Scott, ikkonfrontat lill-aggressur armat b'sikkina Joel Cauchi, talbitu ċedi s-sikkina li bija kien diġà qatel 6, irrifjuta u sparatlu. Il-kapitlu mdemmin temp Cauchi mixħud fl-art f'wieħed mill-kumplessi kummerċjali ewlenin f'Sydney u ddikjarat mejjed fuq il-post mhux qabel iżda ma laħaq qatel 6 b'12 oħra midruba.
We have 6 victims deceased, 5 women and 1 man, and of course the offender. We are working through the process now of speaking with the families and supporting the families of those victims, 2 of whom it would appear have no family in Australia, so we are working through and with agencies overseas to attempt to reach out to the families of those victims.
Il-Pulizija sejħu fil-kumpless ta' Westfield Bondi Junction ftit wara l-4 ta' wara nofsinhar ħin ta' Sydney l-bieraħ. Xieda fuq il-post qalu li raw lill-aggressur jiġri mal-kumpless u jattakka n-nies b'sikkina kbira.
A 40-year-old man from Queensland, Joel Cauchi, has been identified as the offender in this matter. We are continuing investigations in relation to him. He's a man, as I said, from Queensland. We believe he came to New South Wales last month. We are and have spoken with his family. We'll continue to do so, and they are cooperating with us.
Ġi konfermat mill-Pulizija ta' New South Wales li Cauchi kien ibati minn problemi ta' saħħa mentali, 5 minn dawk li qatel fl-attakk tal-bieraħ huma nisa. Bliżar vittma minn 12 li qed jiddewwew l-isptar hija tarbija ta' 9 xhur li ġiet irrappurtata tinsab f'qagħda stabbli. Omm it-tarbija Ash Good ta' 38 sena nqatlet minn Cauchi, imma qabel ma nqatlet irnexxielha tiddefendi lil binta ċkejkna biex ma tinqatilx hija wkoll.